Stop by and take a look at the 2011 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tow hitch, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.